Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
Investing in mutual funds, stocks, or real estate can be profitable ways to use 20 lakhs in India. Considering the volatile nature of stocks, diversification is key. Real estate, on the other hand, offers tangible assets and potential rental income. Starting a franchise of a well-established brand is another viable option, given its structured business model and support. Additionally, exploring high-yield fixed deposits or peer-to-peer lending platforms might yield solid returns with manageable risk. Always consult with a financial advisor to tailor investments to your risk tolerance and financial goals.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.